Dobby. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Takashi. If you guys haven't already, please go like, share and subscribe. I am about to get ready and I'm really excited to show you guys my fit because I feel like that's always the highlight of my day aside from my face. Today I am gonna be wearing this linen set. I'm not too sure how it's gonna look, but we're gonna try it on and see if we like it or not. I should probably put my hair back because it makes me look so elegant. I wanted to kind of like talk to you guys about where I'm at mentally. So I went into this deep rabbit hole of self-concept work and I ended up having this epiphany in my head where I made sense of how consciousness works, and now I've become very cautious of my conscious and subconscious mind because I can see how that is reflected back into my 3D reality, and I just really don't want to, in all areas of my life, be in this cycle and loop. And so I've been trying to every single day consistently rewire my brain, uncondition every single childhood and social conditioning that I've had, and it's just been so overwhelming. So since time is not linear, it's a spiral, you're changing the reality of not just your younger self but your ancestors and everyone who came before you, because we're all connected and that's how like we carry along their trauma with us. And because of this, I think it's a lot more easier for me to show up every single day and put in effort into the things that I love. Guys, I completely forgot to mention that I'm heading to the Murakami exhibit. So I was at the 787 cafe in Chelsea and now I'm heading there to meet my friends.
Ya 주들은 막 까망치 야지 먹어. 암치 야지 먹어 지금. My shoe got stuck. Mama. So funny. I want to get these wooden bowls because in Bhutan, when you're eating like food from a wooden bowl with your hands, it's just like so good. You know? I'm gonna buy two because if I buy one, it means that I'm gonna be single forever.
I'm just so exhausted. Being home is the best feeling ever. I love like stripping off my makeup and just like getting into comfortable clothes. I think one of the reasons why I also kind of like being alone is because I can energetically kind of like disconnect from the outside world. I feel like sometimes when I'm stepping out, there's like a lot of noise and it kind of like fogs my brain. And so being home is like a chance for me to kind of like take a deep breath and feed myself energetically. Also just kind of like be in this superposition where I know that I have like limitless possibilities and ask myself, what is it that I truly want?
Mama loves baby Chanel. Bless you. Say bye. Bye. Dobby. 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 We are going to the beach today. Ew.
Ever since the day you locked in, I was gonna be your downgrade. If I need to start a war, I'm gonna try for you. If I figure off of you, I start a war. Yeah.
Vem, vom de peco, gis, toni, toma, chu, da, dindy, ibes, nunca conso, choma, sabona, disita, michi, cada tipo de Tony, James, Charles, Sui, Nichi, Malha, Recopel, Sora, Zomi, Tui, Juta, Guina, não, capitão, Sazam, Mimi, Jani, Sude, Option, Sumi, Beijão, Jana, Beni, Tiche, Jana.